If you want to see how I got this look, let's see. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned, okay? So I've already done my eyebrows, as you can see. Yeah, I've already done my eyebrows. Nobody wants a uni. So let's get into the rest of this look. Put on the rest of my foundation, and I'm going to be using the Fit Me foundation and 368 deep golden, and that's it. This one right here, and this is the matte and poreless. So let's get matte and poreless. Beauty blender. I think I should have put more on. Yeah, I think I need a little bit more. Let's put a little bit more around here. What I do is I make sure I put a lot of foundation around my mustache beard area. I don't like to conceal that area because it seems like the concealer always crease. So I just don't put it around there. And I don't put a lot of foundation on my nose. I mean, I don't want to look discolored, but I don't put a lot of foundation on my nose. Shut up, bird. If you know me, you know all of my videos consist of either a bird or a dog. One or the other. So, and the crazy part about it is, these are not even my pets. These are my neighbor's pets that are just loud as hell. It didn't want to open. So I got this big multicolored contour and blush palette. I don't really wear blush, so maybe I should start. Who knows? But what I'm about to do is I'm actually going to take this color right here and use it as eyeshadow. That's what I'm going to do. Use it as some eyeshadow. Can y'all see? And I already had on individual lashes already, but I'm still going to put some more lashes on because I'm just extra like that. Plus, I'm missing a few of my lashes. It's about time for me to go redo them. I do my lashes myself. I don't actually go and have them done. Y'all feeling that so far? I am. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put, I need to get a brown. Let me get a brown. I'm going to take this color. It's like a black with like red glitter in it. And I'm going to just pop a little bit of that in here just to darken it up a little bit. And you can wear this to a Christmas party or out in the town with your boo or whatever. Just pop a little bit of, just deepen that up a little bit. Ooh, I'm feeling this look so far. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is now is I'm gonna go in with a brighter red, just to, cause you know it looks a little bit dull. And who wants some dull eyes? Not I, said Karen. So I'm gonna go in with a red or a pinkish color, just to give it a little oomph. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. It's coming off. You can't really see it. This one right here. see? Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas. And I'm gonna blend the edges out with this lighter color right here, just to give it a little bit of color up there. There we go. How are y'all feeling that so far? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with this same, it's like in the pan it looks brown, but it looks kind of like brownish burgundy-ish, but it's coming off more burgundy. I'm gonna put some more of that up in here. Y'all see her? Go on, girl, you coming through. Unicorn brush, and I have this glitter, and I'm gonna just put that in here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? I'm gonna do the same to this side. We about to put some eyeliner on. Throw on some eyeliner. And because I'm extra after this eyeliner, I'm gonna actually add some more lashes. The lashes I'm gonna be using today are these Diva, oh, act like I can't read. It's called Da Vinci number 43 from my local beauty supplies. And I think they only cost me like $1.50 or $1.99. I think, you know, it was $1.99. Let's get into it. Let's see if they fit. And see, this is why myself, I don't do a full face right away, because my eyes water. Yeah, look at that. So what we're about to do is we're gonna go back into our concealer, and I'm using that same color that I used from the from when I highlighted my eyebrows. Okay. Now my beauty blender is already wet damp. So she then came together. Now it's time for me to set my face. Let me tell you something. I don't like to bake long. I don't like baking. I like to put it on and dust it off. I know y'all probably like, dang, your face look really dewy, but I just set my face. My eye is watering as usual. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line my waterline. It's time to add some highlight. I'm going to use this same little one. So it's time for the lips. Let me get, I'm using a brown. I think I'm gonna go a little daring today, and I'm gonna put on some orange. Should I do orange? I think orange is gonna mess up the look. I'm gonna do a red. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go with a nude. And this right here is the finished look. So what I think I'm about to do now is blend this highlight out a little more. I'm actually gonna do like this. Okay. Now let's put some hair on. So this right here is the finished look. Look at the eyes. It came out so good, right? I know. So we're at the end of the video. I need you to tell a friend to come watch this video with you. Let me know if you tried this look. If you do, tag me on Instagram, send it to me on Snapchat, Facebook, whatever. All my links will be in the bottom in the description bar. But I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and turn your notification bells because I need more subscribers. I need my channel to grow, okay? So help us out. Bye. Thanks for watching.